Hi, everybody. We're getting into a point where we're going to need to have multiple screens open on multiple different websites, and it can get a little bit ugly at the top. So I just came across this. I don't remember if it was on TikTok or Facebook, but it was in one of the education groups. And so I just found this really cool trick. So I've already done it. Here, I'm going to open this and then I'm going to show you how to do it with your classrooms. So I labeled mine daily stuff because these are things that I'm going to need every day. Our website, I'm going to get rid of classes because I'm not going to need it anymore. Quite so, I'm going to get rid of it because I decided to do it a different way. Access to Worcester Public Schools, more taking attendance, my email, and then this is our login attendance. But one of the really cool things is that you can put folders up here so that when in Chrome, when you go to bookmarks, you can either bookmark it at this tab, which is what this is, or you can just save them and it's just this big long list. And I tend to get big long lists because I don't organize things really well. If you know me at all, you'll know that to be true. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go into the bar itself. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go up there. I'm going to click into there. I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to add a folder, which is going to make it a new folder, and I'm going to put it as I'm going to put it classes in Google Classroom. You need to make sure that if you're going to have really quick access to it, that you put it in the bookmarks bar. So just make sure that that is highlighted and then save it. Now, if you have enough space here, it'll pop up right here. If it doesn't for you, and I've cleaned this up so it would for this purpose, but if it doesn't, go here to the double arrows and then log down, and you can literally take it and you can drag it up to here. Okay. So now that I have this open, I'm going to go to my Google Classrooms. So I'm going to go into Classrooms. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into each of my classes and I'm going to get the URL and I'm going to dump it into that folder. So I'm going to start with my homeroom. I'm going to click on it. It's going to give me the URL right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bookmarks. I'm going to say, bookmark this tab. Where do I want it? I want it on the bookmarks bar. Yes, I do, but I want it specifically in this folder. So I'm going to go to the drop down, hit Google Classes in Google Classroom, and I'm done. Then I'm going to go to each of my classes, period 1, bookmark this tab, Classes in Google Classroom. Go back up here, go to my next class. It's a little monotonous, but repetition is good, right? Go to bookmarks, bookmark this tab. Well, where the heck do you want it? You want it in Google Classroom. And once you've defaulted to that, the others will automatically open into that folder. So that makes it good. And so then bookmarks, bookmark this tab, Google Classroom. And then my last class, I'm going to go to bookmarks. I'm going to go to bookmark this tab, and I'm going to put that in there. Now, when I get to the classroom in the morning, I'm going to go to classes in Google Classroom, and there they all are. And so I'm not going into my Google Classroom every time I need to open up a tab. I think that's about it. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, just send me a note. Thanks. Bye-bye.